One person wants to be some kind of movie actor. One person wants to become some kind of, software engineer. And one person wants to go to some kind of, doctor or something kind of. Each person decided three different fields. They studied very hardly. They all want to pursue. One day, the John's father called all the brothers and he asked, "Are you all really willing to go to your goal?" And each of them said yes. He asked, like, why you want to be the movie actor? The first guy. The first guy said it like, I will become movie actor so that I will get so much money, so that I can live my life as I want. Then the John father asked John, why you want to be a software engineer? The John said it like, I will become a software engineer. I will make some kind of nice products, and I will become some kind of good professional. But I will go to foreign countries and I will settle there. He asked the younger one like, why you want to be a doctor? He said it like, I want to do some charities. I want to make the people cure. I want to bring something humanity or something and all. Then the John father decided, and he said, I will give you all some money and you all spend on your goal for that money. He gave each son 5 crores. So he said it like, this 5 crores is for only 1 year. You can do whatever you do want. Okay. I don't care for that. After 1 year, I don't even, kind of need this money. Then each person start to spend the 5 crore money. The first guy, he wants to go to movies. He wants to become something more good movie actor. He tried his own things. Suddenly some nice thought came to him. Why can't he only make his own movie with his money? He tried the movie, he has the money. So he become something like more into the movie once, and finally he lost, and he spent it all the money on all the other things except the actual thing. The second one, the John took the 5 crores. John wants to go to the software and he wants to go to foreign countries. Instead, John thought it like, why I have to go to the software and work? Because I have 5 crores. So he directly go to the foreign countries. He enjoyed there. He kind of had alcohol. He kind of did whatever the other things. And then he finally, kind of spent all the 5 crores. The third one took all the money. He thought to put one hospital and he want to help this uh, kind of poor people. He made with the 5 crores some hospital, but instead of helping the people, then nice thought came to him. He thought it like, why can't I put more money into it? Why can't I get more money? And he started earning it more money instead of doing their own things. The point is very simple here. Most people believe that money can actually solve their problems. It is true, money actually solves it, but it is also important how much you need. In case if you get something 1 rupee extra more than what you need, that will spoil your ambitions. I think I said it in one class. This one, I don't know whether you knew this or not. Uh, anyone guess this? What is the state that have more IAS officers in India? Bihar. First time when I guessed it, it was wild to me. The reason is because in South we believe it like Bihar is famous for some other things. No, I'm not joking. I'm just saying it in a fact. We people believe it like from childhood. I used to hear in movies somewhere that Bihar is poor, Bihar is famous for scams. Like even I have seen some scams. Like there are, everyone knows it. Okay, there are some scams happen and all. And when I see this, when I hear this first time, so then I was so shocked. I asked one of my friend who is also preparing for the civils, and I asked him like, how come the Bihar, one of the poor and the scam ones, how come it becomes like Bihar is a place where Buddha born? Okay, I'm not demeaning them. I highly respect Buddha. But the point is, how come that place is having high IAS? And you know what his answer he said? He said it like they don't have any choice. They are so poor, but they have to do something. They have to study for 18 hours. They have to study so much hard because they can't live that life. Either they have to become something robber or they have to become something good IAS. Their life is at stake. So they will work. They have really good pressure, you know. They don't have any choice, man. Imagine a person who is from so remote place of a Bihar or Rajasthan or Orissa. And those places are not this much great as something like Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, everything you will get. Imagine a person born in Hyderabad, living in Hyderabad. They don't get that much passion. I strongly believe. Why? Because imagine I'm earning some 1,000 rupees. Some like suddenly I lost it. I'm getting 500 rupees. My mind is like, chod do. 100 rupees biryani aata idhar. So 500 is enough to me. But imagine I'm from a place where earning it like 20, 30 rupees is difficult for a day. Then it would be too much. Then I will have so much thing. When I don't sleep peacefully here, I'm like, no, no, I have to earn, else it would be too much difficult kind of thinking. Are you all getting my point, ma? That struggle teaches it. But imagine like you are already so much rich. You won't get that much passionate. There is one case, I don't know whether you know this all or not. In KBC, Amitabh KBC, I think, one guy earned almost 5 crores. Anyone knows his story? I forgot his name, something. Some guy will be there. Forgot his name. KBC winner, something. Sushil Kumar. This was a guy. He won almost 5 crore. Interestingly, this guy within 3 4 years, again he became zero and started earning now on tuitions. This guy prepared for so from Bihar only. This guy prepared from so many bank exams and came to KBC, changed his lives, got 5 crores, and suddenly all the friends came, relatives came to him, and everyone suggested him to into the shares, stocks, trades. He put everything. Suddenly he went to Mumbai to make his own movie. He spent on movies, he spent on girls, he spent on hotels, he spent on alcohol, he spent on cigars. Interestingly, in 2 3 years, he lost everything and came back to the same place and having it some tuitions. This is a live example of John actually. So my point is, in future, you all will get the job. I'm 100% sure in 6 months you will get. Some late bloomer, it will take it like some kind of 1 year. Kuch nahi hota. But after that, you will get so much money. You all are software engineers. I know how much it would be. You will get good money. Not in initially, but after 4 5 years, you will get so much good. But it is always important to manage it, sir. Earning is easy. Managing, spending is actually very, very difficult. Understanding and spending is very difficult. I hope you all understand. Is it clear, ma? That is a lesson today of John. Let's start our MongoDB. I hope online also good. Let's see. Hmm, good. Now, let's go here in MongoDB, a simple syllabus. MongoDB topics. We had introduction of MongoDB. Now, oh, good. Autocomplete is there. This one is kind of good to me. Now, now, how to stop this autocomplete? Why it is auto-completing? Is it Copilot? No, I don't know. Okay, anyway, now everyone focus here, sir. Something is stopping it. I think Kylo code. Extensions, Kylo code, disable it. Good. Now, anyway, now, sir, in MongoDB, the major important things were introduction of MongoDB, basic CRUD operations. CRUD operations involves create. Create is like insert. Read. Read is used for find. Update. We use update one, update many. Delete. We use delete one, delete many. In the find, we have to discuss something called operators. We discussed operators such as we discussed mainly logical operators. We discussed comparison operators. We discussed exist operator. We discussed update operators like set, unset, rename. There are some operators like string, date, numbers also, but actually those things will be good with aggregation framework, aggregation pipeline or framework. Today we'll discuss aggregation pipeline. We need to discuss indexes, transactions, then what is replication, what is sharding, what is security, or how do you do backup and restore. I told you now Mongo dump will be there. Mongo dump. Last one, like how do you analysis this? Same way, if you remember in my MySQL last day, what I told you, like how do you analysis in some kind of Power BI, put these things and I analyze now. That thing, how do you monitor the performance and all? We will use something called Atlas here. Using the Atlas, we can actually do it, or some kind of other business you can do. This is our portion. Anyone have any question, ma? Online, anyone have any questions, sir? No. What about chaining functions? Chaining functions are included in operators only, sir. That is what we discussed yesterday, sir. Like sort and all. If you remember, while I explained to you, I told you that chaining functions were not used in real time. In real time, if you want to sort, people don't use chaining function. Instead, they use something called aggregation pipeline. Okay. Now, good. Now, let's start today's one, aggregation pipelines. It might take it like today and tomorrow, the aggregation pipelines. Now, let's start, sir. Aggregation pipeline. Please, sir. What? Please? Once again, show once. I will show now. Guys, again, I'm telling it. Learning MongoDB or MySQL alone, these databases alone will give you something good placement and career in your life. So I'm going slowly. In case if you want it, I'm ready to spoon feed it again and again and again. Because this course is from zero. Like anyone without any knowledge also can learn this course. Till now, whatever I have done, when you practice, if you get a doubt, you tell me. Okay, I will also explain it. Now, what does it mean by aggregation pipeline, sir? People call it aggregation pipeline or aggregation framework. People call it aggregation pipeline or aggregation framework. What does it mean by aggregation pipeline or framework, sir? It is nothing but a series of steps where one step output will be going into another step input. Have you ever seen something pipelines connected, sir? Like for water, we have one pipelines connected. For waters or something kind of, they will connect pipelines now. Sir, for this pipeline, I am giving some input. Imagine here, how many pipelines are there, sir? Anyone tell me? Three, three pipelines are there. Three pipelines are there. Here, you call them as pipelines, pipelines, or also call them as stages. What you call them as, ma? Stages. So each pipe is like a stage. Even in your water filter, same thing will happen. Like each one will go stage by stage. Sir, in pipe first pipeline, I gave some water, sir, some input, some maybe some dirty water I gave for first pipeline. This first pipeline do some kind of process. Inside it, some kind of process is happening. Imagine. Now, what will be the input for second pipeline? Any guess? Will I get same input for second pipeline also? Sir, second pipeline input is nothing but first pipeline output, na? Right or not? Sir, I gave dirty water to first pipeline. First pipeline do some process. It removed the dirtiness. It changed the color, something. So second pipeline will get that water, na? Right or not? It will never receive the first one which I give. Same way, what the third one will receive? The second one. Whatever the second one output will be, third one input. This process is called aggregation pipeline or aggregation framework. Aggregation pipeline or aggregation framework is nothing but series of steps. Series of steps. You call the steps as stages or pipelines. What do you call the steps, ma? Stages or pipelines. I, I, I respect everyone to speak. Okay. Now, you call each one as stages or pipelines. Thank you. First pipeline output will go to the second pipeline input. Second pipeline output will go to the third pipeline and so on. Each pipeline will perform some operation. Each pipeline will perform some operation. I will tell you there are several stages of operations. Like for example, sir, this guy is giving when it comes to MongoDB. If I explain it in MongoDB, here I give 20 documents. First input, how many documents are coming? 20 documents. In this, I am filtering only the products whose price is 100, greater than 100. In first stage, what I am filtering? Price greater than 100. Sir, only 5 products are having price greater than 100. Then what? How many products will go to the second one? 5, na? Because first one is filtering, na? Right or not? So each stage, one stage I will filter, sir. Another stage I will sort, sir. Imagine second stage I got 5 products. This 5 products I did sorting there. Then third product will receive sorted arena. Right or not? In third product I did count. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer will be 5 number. I gave 20 documents. I got one number. Because each stage you are doing one operation. Same like in water filter, some kind of 7 stages or something kind of will be there. I don't know exactly. But each stage they will filter one thing, and finally you will get your pure water. I will tell you practically, but this is the basic concept. Aggregation framework is nothing but series of steps where each step is called a stage or pipeline, and each pipeline performs some operation. First pipeline's output will passed as an input to the second pipeline, and the second pipeline output will be passed to the third pipeline, and so on. Till now, anyone have any questions, sir? Online, any questions, sir? No. Let's have a small note. It is the process of process of series of steps where where each step each step is considered as a stage or pipeline. Each stage performs performs an operation an operation and and passes its result its result to next stage. The second stage receives input data from the result of first stage first stage and third stage third stage receives receives input data from the result of second stage, and so on. So better draw this nicely, sir. Input, the first stage output will become second stage input, and the second stage output will become the third stage input. Final output. Online, any doubts you can tell me, ma? like a subquery. Actually, someone actually correct, but the only point is subquery is like one query on the another query, only two queries. Here it's like multiple things are there. Multiple things are there. Online done. Oh. Sir, what is the main use of this? Actually, this is the main thing in MongoDB. Sir, if I wanted to add two collections, if I wanted to add two collections, or if I wanted to do some kind of, array separations, or I wanted to do it like, take it like Amazon. You all went to Amazon, na? In Amazon, imagine I filtered the Nike shoes. I went to shoes. I click on Nike. Only Nike shoes will come, na? Right or not? Acha. But in this, I selected price now 100 to 500. Now, sir, will I get all shoes of 100 to 500 or only Nike shoes 100 to 500? One more time, I'm telling it. I went to open Amazon. First, I selected Nike. In shoes section, I selected Nike. Nike shoes. Hai. Now I'm selecting 100 to 500. Now what will happen, sir? Nike shoes which are 100 to 500 will come. In that I searched for something. And only that particular word in 100 to 500 in Nike shoes will come. It's like one query is performing on the another query, performing on another query, na? Right or not? In real time, people will never ask one query. Their query always depends on another query. This kind of thing is like series process. This kind of processes are actually implemented using aggregation. Not only that, if you see in MongoDB, every collection is individual. In MySQL, there is a relation, right or not? A table, one table have primary key, another table have foreign key. Like the relation is there. When you see database, you can tell from where it is coming. But in MySQL, sorry, in MongoDB, you can't tell like that because everything is different, each collection. But I want to combine. Imagine I'm developing in this MongoDB, I'm developing two collections. One is like employees, another one departments. I want to combine this department with the employees. Like YouTube videos are there. All YouTube videos are in one collection. YouTube videos are in one collection. All comments will be in another collection. Right or not? I want to combine this comments with this YouTube video. For this video, this comments, right? Again, for this comment, another comments. Again, for that comments, another comment. You can even go nested comment by comment by comment. Right or not? If anyone knows Reddit, they will understand it. It's like endless loop. Those kind of things are also can be possible. You can join the collections. You can put this kind of, one performing on the another one using the aggregation framework or aggregation pipeline. Now, let's start, sir. Online, any questions you can tell, sir. Now, let's go here. Let's go here. Let's open here Compass. Now, in the Compass, I'm clicking here Connect. My MongoDB Compass is connected with the local host 27017. Always your MongoDB Compass will have some, kind of connection URL. Our URI is localhost 27017. Now, in this I have something called e-commerce. In e-commerce, I have it like already 20 products are there. Okay. If anyone forgot this, I'm gonna create it one more time, all with the 20 products. I recommend people to see these things. Let's go here. E-commerce. I'm just deleting it. There is no e-commerce. Now inside this, there is no e-commerce. Now I will go open the shell. I will create it here. Use e-commerce db dot collection dot sorry db dot create collection. I'm creating one collection. In this collection, I'm giving the name products. Okay, one means okay, true. I created the collection, but the collection is not having anything. So to add something into this collection, I will use db dot products dot insert many. Now, if you see here inside, I need to add. If you go to internet, in internet there are so many, sir. Like for example, I used something called fake store API products. But if you go to the dummy JSON, if you ask it like fake JSONs, you will get so many. Like for comic books or books, whatever. Even you can ask GPTs. If you ask ChatGPT or something, it will generate this particular data. Data is not a big deal. In real time, you will get this data. Like people will put the real data, like company will put the real data. Now I'm having this. Go here. Go here. Let's keep it up. Huh? Sorry, I think I copied URL. Copy. Go here. Paste. I pasted this all. 20 products are created. Now total I have db dot db dot products dot products dot find dot count. How many are there, sir? Till now, any questions? No, obviously not. Now I want to start this aggregate. You can even do directly here, or if you go here, if you go to this products, can you see right side here? Can you see here these things? Aggregations. Actually, sir, MongoDB Compass is so much easy. You can do directly here only everything. Now I will show you this all. Sir, if I go here, imagine I want to insert something. You will click here plus, you can insert the document, you can insert multiple documents, or you can click here JSON and you can import the JSON directly on the first day we did. Or you can click here, you whatever the query answer you get, that answer if you wanna export it, like you want whatever answer you get, that answer you wanna store it somewhere else. Export it if you click CSV file will be outside, like one Excel file it will download. If you want to update anything, you can click this update, or you can go here and update each one. Click here, update whatever you want and write it, click there, update. If you want to copy it, clone it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. You can see the things in this way, in an object form, or in a grid way, like in a simple, your wish, however you want to see. And here only, you can expand all the things, you can collapse the documents. Now, and if you want to find, for example, I'm writing find queries now yesterday. You can even write these queries here, like all the items, price greater than 500. I mean, instead of writing the shell, you can actually do here also. If you do it, click here find. it will come all the products which are greater than 500. I'm just explaining you how the compass is that much useful directly. I told you, I think Saturday, if try to click every button possible, play with it. Because if you play with it 1 hour, it will take MongoDB. उतना easy है, directly उधर रहता. Now, sir, I wanted someone to explain this. If you click here, now it will even tell how much time it take, how many documents it understand, and each one it will even give you like one by one how which technique it used inside, how much optimization happened. Like inside analytics also it will give. Interestingly, MongoDB Compass also contains something called AI now. If you click on it, AI features will be there. If you click on that, you tell what you want, it will do the query. Okay, so AI is there directly. Now you can even see here code, this particular code, how it understand, and you can even do it like same code if you want to do it in Python, how you have to put, or in other languages, how you have to put the things. You can even do what you want to project, sort, or something like collation. We'll discuss the collation, don't worry. Indexes if you want, or skip if you want, or limit if you want, how much maximum time you want to give it for. So MongoDB Compass, everything you want will be there already. We are learning commands in the shell just in case so that you will understand how it works. Any questions are here? No. Now, anyway, come to the topic aggregations. Here only can you see something called aggregations are there? You go here. In aggregations, you can put here first. How many documents are there? 20 documents are there. And you need to add each one stage. Now, these are called aggregation pipeline and stages. Stages or pipelines, they call. You can put one stage. Whenever you are adding one stage, it will filter to that stage. I will do stages one by stage in shell, and I will also do the shell stages in here also. Don't get confused. You can do it any one. It will be fine to me. Is it clear ma online also? Then human needed, sir. Huh? Sir, in Python full stack must study both databases. No need. Actually, any one is fine. It's very easy basically. Now, good. AI in MongoDB AI is replacing human. Huh? अच्छा देखो, here if I click AI is generating the query. अच्छा है, but who will tell to that AI? Human only na. भाई AI replacing human is like computer working on computer. ऐसा नहीं होता. Our work will be different. Are you getting my point, ma? Interesting point is TV never replace radio mechanic. Radio mechanic will learn how to repair TV then. Simple. When TVs comes. If software engineering coding is replaced by AI, then software engineers understand how to create AI. Simple. Our work will be different. Humans never be replaced because we are human beings. Right? Simple logic. Human beings prefer human beings. Don't believe in this kind of false agendas. Do you think work is about only efficiency? Work is about politics. Believe me, work is not efficiency. For example, I explained you one topic. You all understand, na? Do you think you all understand in the same way? No. But all AIs understand in the same way because they understand textbook definition. But our difference in understanding makes us unique. Okay. Are you getting my point, ma? Companies में बहुत रहता. Like some persons have jealous, some persons have egos, some persons have it like creativity. वो पूरा ये में नहीं रहता. If, for example, if my junior is doing so much great than me and he asked me something, I'm like, छोड़ दो, I don't give help. There is some kind of ego in people. AI को ऐसा नहीं रहता. AI will be so much good, and that is not good for society, because that is not how the real world works. Real world works by their selfish, right? Real world works by their ego. Real world works by their competitive spirits. Believe me, there is so much depth if I go. AI never replace human beings. Only the thing is, it is just a wake up call. You should not sleep now. Now you should be more. When someone is running, then you should be like more kind of one. Okay, you should know how to use it. Simple. Because YouTube people now they will tell you whatever the things. Grok is more emotional. Grok is like a bad friend according to me. Anyone used Grok, sir? I highly recommend don't use. Grok is the first AI in the world which can actually say bad words to you. I go to the chat GPT and I say a bad word to the chat GPT in Telugu. Chat GPT say, please don't say these words. And as a AI, I can't respond. This one, Grok, it says 10 bad words to me. 10 bad words. Believe me, you open Grok and put it incognito mode in the Grok and say one bad word, it will tell you very, very bad words. Like you don't want anyone to say that bad words to you. It really said to me on the first day when Grok came. I'm like, how are I asked the Grok, am I good human being? It said no. It clearly said, ChatGPT say in a different way. I asked some bad things in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT said it like, I can't provide this. Okay. Then when I asked the same thing, the Grok said it like, are you Bevakoof? Are you mental? Why you are asking this? Okay, I can provide you, but I don't provide you. It is very twisted because Grok is based on Twitter's data. I People use Twitter for kind of doing bad words to each other. Twitter is only for bad words, according to me. One person will cause another person. So Grok also understand it. Every bad word in Twitter, Grok no. Grok can speak. That is dangerous. Don't use Grok. Use any other things. ChatGPT is a good teacher. That is good. I don't need AI friends, sir. Voice mode is very bad, eh? Good for Geo user. Geo providing Gemini Pro. I don't know. Whatever. Chhod do re. Now, anyway, sir, I'm adding one stage. Let's select the stages. First, I'm selecting here. I'm selecting one stage called match. What is the stage, ma? Any guess what the match will do? Match, simple. It will matches the particular fields. Okay. It will filter out. You see here? What is the definition of match? Everyone, can you read there? Filters the document stream to allow only matching documents to pass through the subsequent stages. That means you give one query in this stage, whichever the documents passing this query, if they are exactly matching it, then only I will allow them, else I will not allow them. Now I will give one match. I am like category. Every product, every document have something called category. What they have? Category. I'm giving category should be electronics. Category should be, sir, how many documents I am giving input to stage one? For stage one, how many inputs are coming? 20. How many inputs are coming? 20. Are you getting my point, ma'am? मेरे पास 20 documents है. पूरा documents match को दे रहा है. Match pipeline. This match pipeline is telling category should be electronics. How many will be electronics? Some, I don't know, something maybe some. Here, six documents. Six documents are matching. Imagine if I created second stage. Anyone guess for second stage how many input I am giving? Understand? फर्स्ट स्टेज में 20 इनपुट दे रहा है देखो उधर And first stage per match kar raha. In match I did it like six I got, but six will be the next one input. Any doubts here? Online, anyone have any questions? Match is like yesterday find only. No? Or next stage. Oh, sorry. Let's do now. Second stage. First, we will learn basic stages. Project. What is the second stage? Please read what is the project. Adds new fields to a document with a computed value or reassign existed field with a computed value. Unlike add fields, project can also remove fields. What is the point is project is like a select. Project is like a select. What is the use of select, sir? You remember in MySQL, we did select. What is the use of select? Only whatever fields you want, you can print, na? Sir, this match is giving me, if you see, match is giving me underscore ID, title, price, description, or category, something, so many it is giving it. I don't want that all. So in that case, I will say project, project, project. Huh? Now project. Here, what projections I want? I want to include underscore ID. Do I want underscore ID, sir? If I don't want underscore ID, I will put zero. I can remove something. Or I want it title. What I want, sir? I want price one. See this, sir. Or I want to say tax. What I'm doing, sir? Tax. Is there anything called tax, sir? No. But tax is what is, sir? Tax is nothing but 0.5% or 5% of some items. Imagine I'm doing it like tax is nothing but multiply. There are some things called multiply. What is it called? These are called arithmetic operators. Here we will use arithmetic operators. Add, subtract, multiply, div. We will use it add and multiply only now actually. Now multiply. Which one you are multiplying, sir? I will multiply price with some kind of 5. Huh? Why it is? Sorry. Why it is coming it's wrong? Dollar project is caused an unorganized, unrecognized error. Dollar price multiply only supports numerical values. Oh, then price multiply 5% means 0.05. Why I got it here only 0.05? Somewhere I did wrong, I think. Which stage I did? MongoDB multiply. No, sorry. Multiply field value aggregation multiply expression one. Oh, I have to put it in array. Then a mistake. Mull is for, see, if you are doing it something like mull is a update operator. Mull is a update operator. Multiply is used in the aggregation. In the aggregation, we will use multiply. Multiply is something not update operator. Multiply is like an arithmetic one. Here I will give it here. Which one you wanna update? I wanna update here dollar price with 0.05. Now, what does it mean by dollar price? Sir, I want to multiply price value na? Anyone tell me what is price value here? What is price value here? I have to take dynamic value na? What is the price value, sir? In one document, price value is 64. I want to take that. In another document, price value is 32. I want to take that. In another document, price value is 100. I want to take that. I want to take dynamic field value. If you want to take dynamic field value, you need to put a dollar here. If I write directly quotation price, if I directly write price, it will not take that. Okay, so instead you need to give it here dollar price. It will give dynamic value. It's like taking that particular every document, that particular price value only you have to take. You will give dynamic values dollar. That is why when you are writing it now, it will show this kind of syntax. See here, when I'm writing it, it will show you. See, field value, you are getting it dollar price. So if I multiplied, this is my tax. So I can add new fields, guys. I can add new fields. I can remove the things which I don't want, or I can even multiply the things. I can even add things like total. I will say add, add. Which one you wanna add, sir? I wanna add the price, comma, tax. I wanna add price, tax. Why this is not working? This will come total. It's coming at null. It should be. We'll see. But basically, the logic is very simple, sir. Logic is very simple. Here you have two stages. In stage one, from starting onwards. Sir, in stage one, I used match. Which one I used, ma? Match. In match, 20 documents it received, but 6 documents it returned. 6 documents it returned. How many documents you returned, that documents will become the input. That 6 documents become the input for the next stage. In the next stage, I did project. In project, I'm giving only title price. Now I'm giving title price tax to next stage. Can the next stage do the category? Can next stage do category logic? No. Why? Because in this stage output, there is no category only. The next stage filter based on category, sir? No. Because you are not giving that category only. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? The tax and total one I will tell you, don't worry. Now let's have same thing, sir. Here, same thing I will also do here. db dot if you want to do the aggregation, all you have to do is products dot aggregate. What you will write, ma? Aggregate. In this aggregate, you will write it here. In this aggregate, you will put it here array. In this array, each stage is one value. Each stage is one document. See this? How many stages are there here? 3 stages. You can give how many stages you like. For example, first stage. I'm giving here first stage. Dollar match. Match is my first stage, sir. Which one you are matching? I am matching category electronics. Category electronics. Now all the electronics products will come. You see? Category electronics. DB dot products dot. Huh? Okay. Square brackets. Now all the electronic products are coming. Electronics. So sir, I gave 20 products. I gave 20 products to match. But match is giving me only 6 products. Sir, can I find using match? Can I find using match products whose price is greater than 20? Can I find using match products whose price is less than 300, greater than 400 or something kind of one? Yes. Are you getting my point, ma? You can do these kind of things using the same find yesterday, whatever the operators we learned based on operators. All the match can be done. After match, which one I wanna project? Now I am getting so much answer. I don't want all answer. I will do project. In this project, I will say, in this project, I will say underscore ID. I don't want 0 or title 1 or price 1. Sir, I want first stage I gave 20 documents. I got 6 documents. Second stage I gave that 6 documents. But in 6 documents, it is printing only title and only price. Only title and only price. See, only titles and prices are coming. There are multiple stages. Whatever you learned yesterday, chaining will not be used in real time. Aggregate will be used. Now, sir, all products are coming, na? Can we sort them based on price? Can we sort them based on price, ma? Normally, what you will do, you will write dot sort, na? Instead of writing that chaining functions, which are not good, we will use it this aggregation. Why? Because aggregation is like one query only. In one query, you are giving it multiple stages. Simple. Online, is it clear, ma? Here. Now, can we write another one, ma? Let's go here. I will give comma. See, another one. In this stage, I will write it here. Sort. What I'm writing, sir? Sort. Sort means it will sort out, sir. Based on which one you are sorting? Based on price. If I write it here based on price one, ascending or descending? Ascending means 1, descending means now what happens, sir? Prices came as descending. How many documents are coming still? 6 na? Acha hai. Now in this, I will do another stage like, come on, skip. What I'm doing, sir? Skip. Skip 2. What happens, sir? First 2 will be skipped, na? Anyone tell me, this stage will give how many answer now? Input is 6. So output will be 4. So next stage will receive only 4. But next stage is doing limit. Limit. Limit I'm giving 3. So total how many answer will come? 20 documents से शुरू कर दिया. 3 documents आ गया finally. This follows with 5 stages, where every stage output is passed as a input to the next stage. Can I do any matching now? On last one, can I do no? Like already these things, sir. Can I match based on category now? No, because now matching now that one will not come. Are you getting my point, ma? Online, is it clear, sir? Online, is it clear? Sir, chaining functions and aggregations are same. देखो, chaining functions we don't use it in real time. Instead, aggregation framework we use. Aggregation framework is nothing but chaining only. They're like one chain connected to another one, same way. Okay. In real time, we don't use chaining functions. Why? Because chaining functions are calling it multiple things. But aggregation is like calling one query only. You're getting my point, ma? Online, any questions here? No. Let's have a note, sir. In the notes, we'll do detailed and we'll do some queries. Like I will tell you in project how to do, in project how to do like add, multiply those things also. Okay, go here, sir. First stage. There are multiple stages. There are multiple stages. There are multiple stages in aggregation pipeline, such as first one, match. It filter out it filter out the documents. It filters out the documents documents that follows the follows the matching query matching query matching query, and pass the result pass the result to next stage next stage pass the result to next stage. Create a pipeline with match stage to filter out all products whose price whose price is greater than greater than 400. Good. Now, how do you write it, sir? DB dot collection name is products dot aggregate aggregate in this array. So you will give it here stage 1. You can give how many stages you like, but I'm giving only stage 1, which is match. Sir, there is no rule like match should be stage 1. You can give anything as stage 1. Are you getting my point, ma? If sir, I am doing sorting first, कुछ नहीं होता तुम्हारा इच्छा. I will do skip first. कुछ नहीं होता. Like you can put anything. There is no rule like, oh, sir is teaching match, so let's put match only first. No, nothing like that. In the match, I'm doing it. I wanted a price to be greater than 400. Then only 400 greater than products will go. So basically, aggregate in outside and commands in shell to retrieve the data. Correct. Correct. So it's like, see, understand this logic. Like, for example, I am telling some commands to you. Go to database, get me this data. In that data, do this. In that data, do this. I am telling all procedures step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 at a time. I'm telling you all steps at a time. Then it will do one step on next, next, another step like that. Na? That is only it should work. Na? Logic is actually aggregation framework where it is doing it like one step after the another step. Now, anyone try this, sir? Create a pipeline with match stage to filter out all products whose category is jewelry. Right, ma? Whose category is jewelry. I hope online everyone clears it. Only topic you need to understand in MongoDB. If you understand this today and tomorrow MongoDB 90% over. This is the only difficult part. Remaining all are like बाकी easy है. Index 10 minutes का topic है, sharding 10 minutes का topic है. But this is the major thing. Okay? Done, sir? Sir, చెప్పండి. Doubt? Now. So if I want it here match category is jewelry. Now, next one, second stage, project. It is used It is used to display certain fields as we like or as we want. It can remove fields. It can remove, rename fields. It can also perform arithmetic operations, arithmetic operations like add, multiply. It will do it like add and multiply, but we have it like something called group. In this also we have group stage. It will do it like sum, average, max, min, and all. Okay. Now here this stage, create a pipeline. Create a pipeline with match and project to filter out all products whose category is electronics and display only their title, price, price, tax, or something like sale price. Sale price is like discount, original price, and the something like sale price. For example, original price is something like 1999, but I will show it like only kind of 200 or 500, something kind of one. Some discount happen, some 50% or 90%, some discount happen. Now, how do you do these things? Now let's go here. db dot products dot aggregate. To solve the confusion, I am doing it each stage in separate lines. Each stage I'm writing in separate lines. So if I write it in a single line, actually it will work, but you might confuse. So that's why I'm writing it. What is the first stage, sir, here? Match. What is the first stage here? In match, what are you matching? Category. What is that category? Electronics. Okay, you matched. Now you got only electronics items. In these electronics items, what you have to do? No, I wanted to print a title. I want to print the title. I want to print the price. I want to print the price. But problem is when you print the title price, by default, something will also print underscore ID. What it will print? Underscore ID. I don't want to print. If you can even remove it, that's what I told. Okay. Or You can write it here, something called dollar multiply. Sorry, name something like tax. Tax is nothing but dollar multiply. Multiply. Which one you are multiplying? I am multiplying the price. I'm multiplying the price with some kind of 5% tax. Sir, dollar? I forgot dollar title, na? A dollar project, I forgot it. That is the main thing, sir. I forgot main thing, Ray. Don't copy. Now, acha. I will write it nicely so that you can copy is easily. Okay. Now you can actually see it correctly because without any confusion. Open brace, close brace is the only mistake people do it in my MongoDB. Dollar projector. Sir, I forgot sale price also. क्वेश्चन क्या है क्वेश्चन देखो सेल प्राइस है क्वेश्चन पर सेल प्राइस इज लाइक डॉलर एड which one you are adding price with minus price how much you are giving it price and not colon comma minus 200 everything I'm giving it like 200 minus if tax is value is 0 after calculation then it is showing or not it will show if tax value is 0 also it will show but I didn't understand it like how it will be 0 when you multiplied with 0.5 sir one more time sir what you are doing it this tax is doing multiplication what it is doing ma tax is something I create. I can create the fields also. In this, what is this field? This is nothing but price. What is the price here? Hey, price is not one. Price is displaying one means. Price is like, for example, first product, maybe price is some 100 rupees. Second product, price is maybe 500 rupees. Third product, price is maybe 300 rupees. Is it same for everything? It is changing. Na? So that is why I am multiplying dollar price means dynamic price. Which one I'm multiplying ma? Dynamic price. That a dollar price means dynamic price. This dynamically price whatever is there, that price you are multiplying with 0.05. The why I am multiplying with 0.05 is 5% tax I am giving it. It's like if you are having it like 100 rupees, 100 into 0.05, 5 rupees is the tax. And I am subtracting 200 here. Price में 200 separate करे तो minus 100 is the sale price. Simple. Which is logically wrong. Okay. I'm just showing you the code. That's it. Logically वो impossible है. Now. Is it clear ma? Online is it clear? One more time. Sir, when you are writing the query, in these stages, if you want to use your fields, sir, title is my field, na? Price is my field, na? Underscore is my field, na? Same like categories are there, those things are there. Whatever the fields which I wanted dynamic, then you need to keep it here dollar price. What you will keep, ma? Dollar and that price means price, category means category or whatever. Now here dollar price, every time price you are multiplying with 0.05. For example, I have one answer. First document 64 is price. 64 into 0.05. Second document 100 rupees price. 100 into 0.05. Third document 150. 150 into 0.05. Like that it will multiply and it will add one new field called tax. What is that new field called? Tax. Any doubts here? Online, any doubts here? In real time, price never zero. It's zero in the case, so I ask. Huh, that is what my point. If it is zero na in the DB, you can put the things. In starting only, you can put in the match only, which are not zero. In match condition only, put it not zero. Some average, max, min, those things you will use it with a group. Okay. Now, sale price is like adding. I am adding the price minus 200. Automatically, if a sale price is 100 rupees, 100 minus 200 minus 100 is a sale price. Like that, sale price will be there. You can add whatever you like. You're getting my point, ma? You can put whatever the thing sale price, 100 or minus 100 or whatever. If you wanna add something, you will use add. If you wanna multiply something, you will use multiply. Average, max, min are used in the uh, group. Any questions here online? Is it clear, ma? One more time. Flow of the query. Everyone tell me what is a flow, sir? First, how many documents will be received, sir? How many will come in this? Only electronics products will come. Actually, we did this before. How many electronic products will come? 6 products. So for the 6 products, title is coming, price is coming, ID is not coming, tax is coming, sale price is coming. Right now? Any question in this? No? So what is the use of project? Project can print whatever the fields you want, and it can remove the fields. It can do multiplication. It can do addition. It can even rename the fields actually. Instead of writing it here, price 1, if I write it here, cost price, then what will happen? Price will come, but in the name of cost. Price only will print. Cost नाम पर उसको rename बोलता है. See the rename stage is also there, but this one is good. Project can do directly rename. Project can do directly addition, multiplication, or create the element, or delete the remove the field. These things. If I do this query, go here, copy this. Sales price means giving discount to price. Yeah. Once tell tax. I didn't understand why most people have doubts in tax. Offline, anyone have doubt in tax, ma? Tax is nothing but I am multiplying 2 items, re. Price, देखो, इधर देखो. Seriously, see it here. Here, in this stage, online people, please focus here. In this stage, I am printing price. For first price, what is the price here? So here 64 will come. Dollar price means field value. First time 64 will come. 64 into 0.05, which is 5%. For second one, you see here. For second one, see 109. 109 into 0.05. 109 into 0.05. 114 into 0.05. 599 into 0.05. 999 into 0.05. Whatever the things. That 0.05 you are multiplying. Why you are multiplying only 0.05%? Mera icha hai. You can put whatever the taxes you like. In real time, company will give it. Is it mandatory to give dollar to because if you don't give dollar, देखो, if I don't give dollar, you know what is price? Now price is a string ना. Now price is a string ना. It will think price बोले तो क्या है? मालूम नहीं. Price is a string. Can I multiply 5 with Prasad? No, you cannot multiply 5 with Prasad. You can multiply 5 with something, one number. You cannot multiply 5. That's why I put dollar. Dollar करे तो original value आता. Dynamic field value. Is it clear, ma? Online. Sir, for category, we don't use dollar $y. Category is in left side. See, anything which is there in key. If something is in key, you don't need dollar. If something is in value, if something is in value, then you need to put it dollar. Because here you need price ka value. Here left side is just a name. That's it. Simple. If you wanted to see nicely, na, you can even click here run. It will run it. If you click here explain, can you see? It will do it like one exactly. How much commands are coming in each stage, how many happening. Okay. What is the execution time? In detail, it will tell you. You can see these things. Any question here, ma? When we updating the value, we can use dollar to correct. Correct. This is a basic aggregation. In future, in tomorrow class, guys, in tomorrow class, I will tell you how to do group, sum, average, max, min. I will also tell you how do you do lookup. Lookup will add two things. Lookup will add actually two collections, two separate collections. How do you do embedding model or something modeling? I will tell you. Then we will discuss it one more time, all things and the remaining concepts also. Till now, anyone have any questions, ma? I recommend everyone to open your compass today and start do some basic practice. Believe me, 1 hour spend it today. You will get your MongoDB. MongoDB never takes time. If you want code also, MongoDB will directly give you the code. MongoDB here, whenever you want that code also, whatever the queries you type, that query ka code also will give it in this only. Okay. So I want people to try this thing, sir. Any questions, ma? No. That's it for today. Thank you all. Ma. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye. Online, any questions, please tell me, sir. How to install MongoDB Compass? Go to internet, type it MongoDB community server, download. It will download and it will install, sir. MongoDB community server, download and install, sir. Sir, using API fetch data. API will never fetch the data using this one. API fetch data front end. Front end. Your Python will create API, front end will receive it. Project will do it, ma. Don't worry. It's not over. How to add stage 1 to stage 2? You don't add. Automatically stage 1 and stage 2 will be added because you put the comma na. Dekho here. One thing is first stage, comma, second stage. Automatically first stage and second stage are connected only. However, the order you give, that order it will be arranged already. Not gracious. From where to copy data for e-commerce, sir? Online बहुत data मिलता है, sir. Thank you all. Bye bye.